soft path fades away. City slowly fades away. Lights dissolve into the gray. Nothing left I need to say tonight. Every shadow turns to calm, wrapped inside a quiet song. Everything just drifts along so light. Let it dim, let it fall. Fading lights guide me home. In the dark, I'm not alone. Every breath becomes my own. Fading lights. No more noise to pull me back, no more weight I have to track. Just a quiet kind of path unseen. Every second slows the pace, every thought finds its place in a soft and endless space between. Let it disappear. Pet